Yes, today I'm going to discuss one more important question of electrostatic for any competitive examination like NEET, IIT, or also for board examinations. So, question is what 2-point charge minus 3 microcoulomb and plus 3 microcoulomb are separated by distance 20 centimeter in air or vacuum located at point A and B respectively. Calculate the resultant field intensity at midpoint C of the line joining AB. So, we have to find electric field. So, little bit I'm going to discuss about this term. What is electric field? So it's a strength of charged particle. Fine. Now okay, it's a vector quantity. So vector quantity means it has both direction as well as magnitude. Now we are going to discuss about direction, which is important for any numerical problem. So for positive charged particle, direction of electric field is always radially outward, and for negative charged particle, direction of electric field always radially inward. Now definition. So we can define electric field in a simple language. Force per unit test charge means test charge experience how much force is defined as electric field of any charged particle. So E equal to F upon Q naught. Now we can then what is the SI unit of electric field? So we know that SI unit of electric force, okay, SI unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of charge is Coulomb. So SI unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. For two charged particle Q and Q naught, where Q naught is a test charge. Test charge means a charged particle having small magnitude which do not affect another charged particle. Okay, now we know that according to Coulomb's law, force between these two charged particles is equal to q naught upon r square, and r is the unit vector for direction. Fine. So electric field is force per unit test charge. So F upon Q naught, so q naught upon r square. So q naught cancel, and r is the unit vector, so E is equal to kq by r square, r unit vector, and in magnitude we can write E is equal to kq by r square, so only magnitude. Fine. Now come to the question. So we already read it. Two charged particle, one is plus 3 microcoulomb, another is minus 3 microcoulomb, one is at A, another is at B, there is one midpoint C. Fine. And the distance is given. The distance between point A and B is 20 centimeter and C with a midpoint, so AC equal to BC is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to, we can write 0.1 meter, because distance between point A and C is 10 centimeter and the distance between point C and B is also 10 centimeter. Now come we just see about direction. Okay, so A and C, here it's a positive charge particle. Fine. So the direction of electric field at a C is radially outward. Okay, EA. And for negative charge particle, direction of electric field at C is radially inward. Means direction of both electric field EA and EB is in same direction. So how to find resultant? So resultant field at C is equals to EC is equals to EA plus EB, and the angle between E and EB is 0 degree. So resultant is just a sum of these two electric field EA plus EB. Now we know that the formula of electric field E is equals to kq by r square. Fine. So EA means charge particle at A. Okay, so we can write kqa means charge particle at A upon distance square AC square plus kqb charge particle at B upon CB means distance between point C and B ka whole square. Now putting the value of QA and QB, so K 3 upon AC also 0.1 meter square plus K into 3 3 by 0.1 whole square. Now here 3 is in micro, so we can write here into 10 to the power minus 6, here also 10 to the power minus 6, so here also 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, and here also 10 power minus 6, here also 10 to the power minus 6, here also 10 to the power minus 6, so here minus 6 means answer is 54 into 10 to the power 11 minus 6 is 5 Newton per Coulomb. Okay, thank you, and for any doubt you can mail us or message us on my mobile number. Okay, or also on my website. My website is www.amrank.com. Okay, and one more important thing, for summer special classes for 12th physics, especially for 12th class, from 13th April 17 to 29th May 17 at my hometown Chhapra. Thank you, and address is sent. You can get my address from my website aimrank.com. Thank you.